Hey foodpreneurs and culinary enthusiasts! Are you ready to take your restaurant dreams from concept to reality? Stick around as we share the must-read books that'll give you the edge in the competitive world of hospitality. Starting a restaurant requires more than mouth-watering recipes. You need savvy business skills and industry know-how. Luckily, we've whipped up a list of the top books to guide you on this flavorful journey. First up, Kitchen Confidential by Anthony Bourdain. This raw and riveting memoir takes you deep into the chaos of professional kitchens, making you savor every moment of the restaurant hustle. Next is Setting the Table by Meyer. This read is all about hospitality, creating memorable experiences for guests that'll keep them coming back for seconds. For the numbers game, turn to Restaurant Success by the Numbers by Roger Fields. Get your finances on track with expert tips on budgeting and cost control to keep your business profitable. When it's time to jump into action, Start and Run a Restaurant by Carol Godsmark is your go-to guide, covering everything from planning to marketing and beyond. Don't forget Marketing, where Restaurant Marketing by Robert J. Crumroy becomes invaluable. Dive into modern marketing techniques and create a strong bond with your customers. Managing a restaurant requires comprehensive knowledge, and The Restaurant Manager's Handbook by Douglas Robert Brown equips you with essential tools to tackle daily challenges with ease. Now, let's add some seasoning with The Flavor Bible by Karen Page and Andrew Dornenberg. This book will inspire you to experiment with flavors and elevate your dishes to works of art. Understanding the money side is vital, and Restaurant Financial Basics by Raymond S. Schmidgall and David K. Hayes gives you financial insight to navigate the industry. To keep your cool in the heat of the kitchen, Don't Sweat the Small Stuff at Work by Richard Carlson offers valuable stress management techniques. And let's change the habits that can transform your business with The Power of Habit by Charles Duhigg. It's all about consistent, productive practices. Remember, success comes from a unique concept, a strategic location, consistent quality, impactful marketing, and exceptional customer service. Keep innovating, control those costs, manage your inventory wisely, and stay on top of market trends. That's your recipe for a killer restaurant that thrills taste buds and hearts alike. Lifelong learning is your secret ingredient. Embrace it, and you'll cook up a storm of success in the restaurant world. If you found this bite-sized guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for more delicious tips. For more in-depth insights, visit our blog or watch our related videos. Got some thoughts or experiences to share? Drop your questions and stories in the comments below. Let's cook up a conversation. Bon appetit, and here's to your culinary success.